Meaning of eugenics.
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 Eugenics. Eugenics is a social philosophy that advocates for improving the genetic quality of the human population through selective breeding and sterilization of undesirable individuals. This idea emerged in the late 19th century and gained popularity in the early 20th century. Supporters of eugenics believed that by encouraging the breeding of those with desirable traits and preventing the reproduction of those with undesirable traits, humanity could be improved. However, eugenics has been widely criticized as unethical, discriminatory, and scientifically flawed. The implementation of eugenics policies in the past has resulted in countless human rights violations, including forced sterilizations and genocide.